Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Syed. I am student of grade 8B, Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. In my previous 16 videos, we discussed on chapter mensuration. The exercise 11.3 and 11.4 are not included in our syllabus. So, as per our syllabus, how the syllabus is continuing in my classroom, I am also doing it in the videos. So we are doing the algebraic expressions and identities in our classroom. So as per my classroom, I am uploading the videos now. The first thing I would like to say that again that these videos I am making for my betterment, and if anyone is watching my videos, they are benefiting, and I will be so happy if you would comment and share these videos for my betterment. So I'm improving and I'm uploading these videos, making these videos for improvement and development of my math skills. Now let's start with an exciting chapter, which is algebraic expressions and identities. Now we are going to do the first. So we are going to discuss the exercise 9.1 question number 1. So before going to the questions, I will explain you in brief explanation what is algebra. Now what is algebra? Algebra is the equations and expressions which are made by the variables and constants. So now what is the variables? Now first of all, what is the expression? An expression is like x plus 1. So this is an expression. And what is equation? Equation is this type of 2x plus y is equals to 3zy. So this type of things are known as equations. Now similarly, this also is an expression, and equations are similar, but what is the difference between them? So equation has an equal to sign in it. So when the thing which has equal to sign in its the statement, so it will be called as equation, and the thing which doesn't has like it will be minus 2y. So this type of things are called expressions. So the things which are with the equal to sign, they are called the equation, and the things which are not, they are called expressions. Now what are these numbers I'm putting here? These numbers, this x, this y, this z, what are they? They are called the variables. And what are these numbers? These numbers 1, 2, and then 3. What are these numbers? Now I would like to say that there are two things in equations and expressions, which are variables and constants. The alphabets are known as, like, x is equals to the alphabets. The alphabets are called variables in algebra. It's variables. And what are these constants? The numbers which are coming in the equation and expressions are called the constants. Now for example, I'm taking 2, which is equal to the numbers which are called constants. So I'm writing in the bracket constants. Okay, so these are the things. These are the basic things for algebra. Now expressions, they are saying expressions. So mostly there will be expressions like this. As I said, this type of things will be more. This type of statements will be a lot of them. So let's go ahead to the question. Now the first question, they are asking us to differentiate between the coefficients and terms through the expressions. They have given us 6 expressions. What we have to do, we have to differentiate them. Like we have to say what are the coefficients and what are the terms. So the first question is 5xyz square minus 3zy. Now first question, so what are the coefficients? Coefficients can also be called as the constants. So constants and coefficients both are known as, both have the same meanings. So coefficient and constants, both same meanings. Now 5 could be a constant. So we will write it as 5 and 3, this 3. So we have two constants, two coefficients in this. Now what are the terms in it? So one term is 5xyz z squared. Now this is a term. So this whole thing, now what is a term? I would like to say you this like 2xy. So this is a term. Now we have three factors in it, which is 1, 2, 3. So 2 into x into y. So these are the three factors for it. Now these three factors, when they are multiplied, they will be converted into terms. Now what we are going to do, so this is a term, and there is another term in it. We are including this minus, this negative sign with the 3, so which is equal to minus 3zy. Now we have done the first question. Now what is the second question? Now the second question, 1. The second question is 1 plus x square. Now I would like to say you that something which the variables which doesn't have values, like there's a value in it, the term which doesn't have any value, so we can keep it as 1, as I said in my previous videos. If there is no variable, if there is no value, if there is no constant with any variable, we could keep it as 1. So there, how many constants or coefficients are there in this question? So one itself, and then second one I said you, then this will be also 1, and this will also be 1. So there are three triple ones in this question. Now what are the terms in it? So first term is 1 as it is, then the second term is plus 1x. So this is 1x. Oh sorry, it's 1x. Then another then we are going to get one more 1x square. So nothing is related with this for square. So nothing we have to do with the square. So as it is, we have to leave it. It will come in our furthest. It will come in the in further the chapter continuing. So the third question is 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. Now this is a statement. This is a coefficient. How many coefficients are in this? So 4. Then what is this? Minus 4. We are including this minus with the 4, with the next number for it. So this is plus, positive. So we are going to write it as it is. As I mentioned here, if there is no variable, then we are going to write 1. So now what are the terms here? Terms are 4x square y square. I'm going to write here 4x square y square. Then I'm putting a comma. Then here this negative sign, this 4 will come with the negative sign. So this will be minus 4. This will be minus 4. Minus 4 x squared y squared and z squared. X squared y squared and z squared. And in the last we are going to write 1z squared, because there is 1 at the value of z. So 1z squared. So this is the answer of the third question. Now what is the fourth question? 3 minus pq plus qr plus r minus rp. Now In this they have given us only one constant, so we will write the constant as it is. Then minus pq, we are going to get the same number which we are getting for the one variable, we are going to get for many variables without value. We are going to keep them as only one. Not if we will do like we have two values, like we have two variables, then we are going to put two. No, we are, even if there are million variables, we are going to put one. So the second thing is 1 here, it's minus 1 because this minus 1, this minus is including them. Then qr which is 1. Then another thing rp which is minus 1. Now let's go to the terms. Now what are the terms in it? One is 3, then minus pq which is minus 1 pq, minus 1 pq. And then the third thing plus qr, so it's positive, we don't need to write the sign, we are going to go ahead with then minus 1 qr. Then the last one minus rp, so minus rp we have written as minus 1, so we are going ahead with minus 1 as it is, rp. Now we have done some easy questions. Now we are going to get fractions and decimals in two last questions. Now for fractions also same method. What we are going to do, we are going to write the one at the value of the variables. No, there's nothing difference in fractions, whole numbers, decimals, anything, integers, nothing difference. All rules are same for everything. So x by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2 plus, so I'm going to write it like this. I have to write it in by the comma. Then this will be by 2, so this will be again 1 by 2. Then minus xy, this will be minus 1. Now we have to write the terms. The terms are 1x by 2. As I mentioned before, we are going to use the same rule for everything, for fractions, for decimals, anything. So as I said, we have take 1 here for the there is nothing at the there is nothing constant at the variable, we are taking 1. So like that we are going to take at the numerator of the fraction also. So then the second thing is y2, so which is 1 y2, 1 y by 2. Then the third thing is minus xy, so we have taken negative -1 here, so we are continuing with -1 xy. And now we have done it very easily, so I think it's clarified for you. And now we are going to the for the decimals. Now decimals also same rule. So 0.3 is a constant, then 0.6. Now for decimals we don't need to convert it into the whole numbers. If they are saying us to find the values, then we have to convert it. Now here just they are saying that differentiate the coefficients and terms, so we are not going to convert them into the whole numbers. So this will be 0.6 as it is, then it's minus 0.6. Keep a great concentration on these negative signs. This could be very harmful for the answers. So then plus 0.5, the last one. Then what are the terms? Here? Then 0.3a is a term. Then the second term minus 0.6ab, minus 0.6ab. It's AB. Then the last term, which is 0.5b. So how we did was, like, it was so easy method. So these are the first exercise. The exercise 9.1 is just for reminding us the basics which we learned in grade 8 and grade 6 and grade 7. So this exercise is only for reminding us what we have learned for our rememoration. So we are going for the question number 2 in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.